काटिन्छ रमिजल चिसो काजिन रुपेस पुछे तन्पे मोल्ला खोंगी थुक्से काटिन्छ रमिजल चिसो काजिन रुपेस पुछे तन्पे मोल्ला
Now suppose here this occasion meant for eating, not talk. And also, as a matter of fact, feel very hungry. In any case, I always consider 7 billion human beings, we are same. Same way born, same way die. And our life begins with the mother's affection. So at the time of dying, you're surrounded by your trusted friend and really showing affection. You feel much happier. So we as a broadly speaking sentient being, and particularly animal of this planet, like other dogs, other birds, they depend each other, helping. So that is very nature. We human beings also, you see, have to live with group of humanity. Some great saint completely cut out and remain in a mountain, like great Saint Milarepa. These, you have certain inner strength, and they deliberately practice detachment. Otherwise, we have to live with human community. So, in human life, most important, as Indian traditions say, karuna. Karuna there, individual person much happier. Actually, karuna brings inner strength. So anger really weaken our mental attitude, much fear. So Karuna, a 1,000-year-old India's tradition that really brings inner strength. And with that, whole community live sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, live together. So now world, the 7 billion human being, we really need karuna and helping each other. And the beginning of this century and also past century, too much selfish I, and develop military forces and a weapon killing each other. That actually against the human nature. So, the India's ahimsa, karuna, is the key factor for human society in order to develop happy society. So, I feel Mahatma Gandhiji really propagate and practice ahimsa. But it seems to me not sufficient to propagate karuna. Now time come, we must pay more attention about karuna. And 1,000 years, we India, our tradition, karuna, ahimsa, but karuna, I feel, should be part of our education field. Children at a young age with mother is always karuna there. Once we join school, not much talk. I'm thinking, now coming my visit to Delhi, I'm going to discuss some professors of some university in Delhi in modern school. We should have class about karuna, not as a religious thing, but a secular concept. So I really feel a modern India, modern education from West, no idea about karuna. So now time come, we have to think seriously in our school, including, should be include lesson of karuna, strictly secular way, not touching with religion. So India really make connection. 1,000-year-old India's tradition of karuna and Western education about materially thing. Combine these two things. So that is my thinking. Then some questions.